Back again. Today we got a 2015 Ford Escape Titanium. Super clean ride, loaded up with options. Just got done in service and detail. We put 4 brand new tires on it, new brake pads and rotors, checked all the fluids, oil change, North Carolina state inspection, a couple other things on the list. What's cool about this one, I mean, for an Escape, they don't really have a cool factor, but the more you get into this car, the more options you find, and it, I mean, really, it'll surprise you. So starting off, we've got LED highs, lows, and fog lights. It's got a full panoramic glass roof, passive keyless entry, heated mirrors, memory seats, power windows, power seats, leather heated seats. A look at that pano roof from the inside. We'll come back here to check out the dash. Back seat, pretty roomy actually. I'm 6'2", I fit in here no problem. Very roomy. And then when you get into the trunk, with the power liftgate, of course, lots and lots of trunk room. I mean, look at this. Like a glove, no problem, can sit in the trunk. Close it down. This one comes equipped with the EcoBoost motor. It is a 4-wheel drive, so don't have to worry about snow, any terrain. This thing can handle it. Another look at that pano roof. Power seat on the passenger side. Dual climate control. Heated seats up in the front. This one has 104,000 miles, no codes, no lights, all of your steering wheel controls, backup camera. This one came equipped upside down, so that's pretty fun, but you can still see what's back there. Your radio controls there, dual climate, shift knob, heated seats. I can't imagine this one's here super long, so come check it out up here at 4042 Motors in Garner, NC.